Hello dear guys, today I have published a new video for the students and learners, those who are interested to practice narration speech, direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. So the learners and viewers, you all are requested to visit my YouTube channel, K Mondol YouTube channel. I have already published many videos for you in order to practice voice sense, narration and any other English grammar. I hope that my video will be helpful to you if you practice regularly. Today I am going to discuss narration speech, the changing method of direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. I have already published the rules before and you can visit those video I have already published through my K Mondol YouTube channel, and you can also visit my Facebook. So you all are requested and advised to follow my lecture. Direct speech. She said to the girls, "Why are you not listening to me? What I was instructing you." It is interrogative sentence. As it is interrogative sentence, reporting verb said will be changed into asked, and interrogative pronoun why will be relative pronoun why. Why will not be changed. WH will not be changed. WH, why, who, which, what, where, when, whom, etc. They will not be changed. So why will be why. Why are you not listening to me? What I was instructing you. You, second person, will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, the girl. The girls, third person plural number. So you will be changed as third person pronoun, the girls pronoun they, girls. Okay. Why are not listening? It is past continuous tense. We know that if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be corresponding past tense. So past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. So what will be? They had not been listening to her what she had been instructing them, girls. Next, direct speech. The head teacher said to the students, "Stay at home during national pandemic period." It is imperative sentence. So reporting verb said to will be changed into advised, ordered, commanded, etc. according to the sense of the sentence. The head teacher advised the student to stay at home during the national pandemic period. Here, to is conjunction, to is infinitive conjunction. Inverted comma will be omitted and there will be to according to rules as it is imperative sentence. Next number 3. Direct speech. He said to the girl, "Listen to me what I want to say." It is also imperative sentence. So it will be as number 2 imperative sentence according to number 2. 3 will be the same as subject and reporting verb etc will be changed, but the rule will be same. Said will be changed into advised and inverted comma will be omitted, there will be 2. Okay. So he said he advised the girl to listen to him what he wanted to say her. Next one, direct speech. I also insert the sentence. Direct speech. The man says to her, "When had I done the work for you?" Interrogative sentence. So says to will be omitted and there will be asked as third person singular number. So there will be yes or yes with main verb. Asks. The man asks her when. WS will not be sense. When will be when. He, I, first person will be sense according to the subject of reporting verb. The man, so there will be he within bracket man. Had done will not be sense. We know that if the reporting verb is present or future, the tense of the reported speech will not be sensed. So when had I done the work for you, it will be when he had done the work for her. For her. Okay. What will be? The man asked her when he had done the work for her. For you second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb her. So there will be her. Okay. Next number. Number 5. Direct speech. They said, "Alas, we are undone." We must know it is note of exclamation. So exclamatory sentence. We know that said will be changed into carried out in sorrow or carried out in or exclaimed with sorrow, because alas it is sad or sadness. So reporting verb said will be changed into carried out in sorrow. There will be conjunction that. We know that in exclamatory sentence conjunction is that, and reporting verb said will be changed into carried out in sorrow, exclaimed with sorrow, carried out in joy, exclaimed with joy, according to the sense of the sentence. So what will be? They said they cried out in sorrow that they were undone. Alas, we are undone. They were undone. R will be where, as said is past tense. Reporting verb will be reported speech will be changed according to the tense of the reporting verb. Said is past tense, so it will be correspondent past tense. So what will be? We are undone. They were undone. They, why they? Because we first person will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb they. So they will be instead of we, there will be they, and the verb will be where, are will be where, because it is present. We are undone, it is present indefinite tense, so it will be past indefinite tense, were undone. Okay. So dear followers, you should practice at home regularly, and if you practice at home regularly, I hope that you will be efficient in English and English will be easier to you. So try to practice at home during this crisis period. Most of the students are staying at home, so they need to practice at home. So you are advised to follow my YouTube channel, K Mondal YouTube channel, digital online English class. No more today. I wish you every success in life. Bye bye.